Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video ay magre-review tayo ng isang lending application na ayon sa kanila application guys is nagpapautang daw sila up to 30,000 pesos and installment repayment. So before we go on guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe dyan, mag-subscribe na, i-hit ang bell button and i-share na rin ang video ito para makatulong din sa iba and mag-comment sa baba kung ano man ang gusto nyong next na content natin guys and para mapabilang din kayo sa mga upcoming pag-giveaways natin. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video nga is magre-review tayo ng isang lending application na nagpapautang daw up to 30,000 pesos and installment repayment. And ayon din sa kanila ay get 30,000 pesos installment with only 5-minute application. Ayan. And ayon sa kanilang about application ay loan amount from 5,000 to 60,000 and loan tenure or loan term ito is 181 days daw. Ayan. And with minimal processing fee and interest of 30%. So let's see guys kung gaano ba katotoo ang kanilang nilalagay dito sa application na ito. Ayan. So ang lending application pala na ito guys ay si V Plus Pera Agad Cash Loan. Ayan. And powered by Philippine Vastness Lending Corporation na meron silang 4.8 stars and 24,000 reviews. Ayan. And then after natin i-download si V Plus, ayan, ay makikita agad-agad natin dito ang kanilang pa-welcome. So, maximum loan amount up to 50,000 pesos and interest rate 0.05% per day and loan term is 121 days. And kung mapapansin nyo guys na sa kanilang dashboard ay makikita dito yung logo ng Security and Exchange Commission and AMLC. So, parang legit or let's see guys, okay? So, tap natin yung apply, ayan, and mag-a-ask sila ng ating phone number para syempre, magbigay sila ng code, ayan. And tap natin yung sign up or sign in, ayan. And after which ay ang kanilang privacy statement. And to ensure transparency and securely obtain your consent, our app will display a closure or disclosure window. The first time permission is so to access the features below, yung ating SMS messages, camera access, ayan, memory access, location access, device, emergency, and etc. So, hindi po tayo makakapag-proceed kung hindi natin itap yung agree. So, tap natin yung agree and yung access to our device location. Ayan, allow natin. And after which, guys, is yung mga ID na pwede daw natin gamitin sa kanila. Ayan, so driver's license or driving license, PRC, SSS, passport, postal ID, and yung UMID ID natin. Ayan. So, pili lang po tayo. So, for me, ginamit natin yung ating UMID ID. Ayan. So, may ituturo pa sila guys kung paano daw natin picturean ang ating ID. Ayan. And then, tap natin yung next. After which, guys, is yung ating pa-selfie. Ayan. Yung pa-selfie ni Mayor. Ayan. So, after which guys, ayan, ay tap natin ang next. And dito na tayo sa kanilang identity information. So, hindi na bago guys, tatanungin ang ating education, marital statement. Ayan, and dito, tatanungin ang ating kung meron tayong credit cards, ayan. And then, yung email, gender, residential address, and yung loan purpose, ayan. After which, guys, is ating address details naman, ayan. And then, work information. Ang ating company name, company address, phone number, profession, work experience, and salary, and yung address ng ating office daw, ayan. So, si V Plus guys, ay nangangailangan siya ng 5 na emergency contacts. Ayan. So, may arrow dyan na pindutin natin para mag-proceed tayo sa ating phone book. Ayan. And then, pipili daw tayo dun kung sino-sino ang ating ilalagay dito. And of course, ay pakiremind ang ating mga nilalagay dito na mga contact reference. Kasi minsan pag hindi natin napapansin, overdue tayo, ganyan, and sila ang kukulitin ng mga agent. Ayan, so lagatin natin ang ating relationship, contact information, ayan, and then save natin. After which ay ang ating withdrawal information, ayan. So tumatanggap sila ng e-wallet and bank card, ayan. So select your recipient wallet or e-wallet, so pwede ang GCash, ganyan. So for me is GCash na lang. And then after which guys is submit. Click natin ng submit. Ayan. So, by the way guys, sa withdrawal information pala, kunyari pag sa GCash is yung pangalan mo mismo or dapat yung GCash mo mismo, hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng ibang GCash kasi mag-e-error yung system nila. Ganon guys, okay? So, click natin yung submit. Ayan. So, dito na guys, makikita natin dito yung pwede nilang pautang sa atin. Ayan. So, approve po tayo ng amount of 3,000 pesos. Ayan. And loan term nito is 121 days daw. Ayan. So, makikita natin dito 0% interest. Ayan. Service fee. Ayan. Bonggang-bongga na 1,140. And wala na silang ibang ibabawas pa. So, bali yung ibabawas is yung service fee, which is 1,140. So, ang marireceive daw natin, 1,860. Ayan. And the loan term nito or loan period, 2 period daw. Ayan. So, let's see guys. Or papakita ko sa inyo, ayan, sa screen, na yung sinabi kanina guys na 121 days ay hindi po yung totoo. Kasi ang due date po nito guys is February 15. Ayan. So, kung bibilangin mo hanggang sa 15 is 7 days po ang ating first payment. And kung pansin nyo guys, na sa first payment is 2,970, almost bayad na po tayo. So, may matitira na 30 pesos na babayaran mo after 21 days. Ayan. So, yun guys. So, sa first na payment natin is bayad na po ang loan in case na kukunin po natin yung ating loan. Ayan. And yung 121 days is yung 30 pesos lang, yung parang interest niya or ayan, kasi hindi naman po sinabi dito. So, 30 pesos, bayaran mo after 121 days. Ayan. So, yun po guys. Sabi dito, repay the one period installment on time. The second period installment will be waived. After 21 days siguro. 121 days, I mean. Ayan guys. So, nasa inyo guys, ano masasabi nyo? Okay ba siya or hindi? Pero for me, hindi ko po siya may re-recommend since 7 days po ang repayment date nito after 7 days at yung service fee niya is apakalaki. So, sobrang sasakit ang ating bulsa. So, by the way, nasa inyo guys kung gusto pa rin ninyong itry. Ayan. Pero for me is ito po ang aking review sa kanila. Hindi ko po siya may re-recommend sa inyo. Bagamat 0 interest pero medyo malaki. At umaara yung ating bulsa sa kanilang service charge. Ayan. Or service fee. So, comment down below kung okay ba sa inyo or hindi guys. So, that's it. Our review for V Plus Lending Incorporated or lending application for today. And I hope na nakatulong sa mga naghahanap ng utangan ngayong 2024. See you on my next video. Bye!